Hi there, thanks for coming. Well, this doesn't look much like a nuclear reactor, does it? But it is the basis for one. So let me get started. Here are two uranium plates, one smaller than the other on top, and a bigger one underneath it. And I'm separating them far enough apart so you can see that the distance makes a difference. There's radiation coming from the uranium plates, just as uranium glass. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a Geiger counter down on both of them and see how much radiation is coming from each one. Okay, so there it started. Okay, so up here you can see the radiation count. So this is 31, and you can see along the bottom the actual count of that the Geiger counter has. These are particles given off by the uranium. This is uranium glass is made from slightly processed uranium that has become yellow cake. Okay, it's at 83. You see the lines almost to the end. 95. 100. Okay. That seems to be the cutoff point for the counter. Anything over 100 is not really, you have to watch it. It's saying there's something that's giving off radiation. So now, this was the untreated uranium plate. Here is the treated. Okay, so I bombarded it with neutrons. Okay, and I'm going to start the counter again. And this actually has the counter on the other one got up to 98, and this is less than halfway. It's about a third of the way. It's now up to 76, 93. Okay, so there's the 100 mark. So this is saying this is more radioactive than the previous sample. That's what the beep means. Okay, 155, 169, 174, 182, 195. Okay, it's each reached the end of the screen. So the other one was 100. This one is 195. It's twice as radioactive, and it's been irradiated for 2 days. Now I can actually get a temperature differential between the two of them. And so how do you make a nuclear reactor out of this? Is you keep irradiating the uranium glass with neutrons until the temperature rises to 500 degrees. Once it's at 500, then what you do is that you stack all the different plates together that you've done for this And now you can take that heat and safely transfer that heat to a liquid water through a barrier, and you can distill water. You can generate steam, which makes electricity. Okay, so it's going to take about a year to get the temperature up to 500 degrees. It's about 5 degrees per 2 degrees every second day, and 5 degrees, prediction is it'll be 5 degrees at the end of a week. So we're 2 days into it. So and the thing is, you'll probably be able to get the 500 degrees with a number of these because the heat is additive in the space that it's enclosed. So then really, the only way you can dissipate the heat is by giving it a pathway for the heat to travel, which will generate hot heat. It will heat water and boil it and make steam. So this is the beginning of a nuclear reactor. I'm going to try and get an export license to go to Vietnam and make one there. So if you're in another country and you want to do that, have to apply for an export license. Okay, this is going to be easy to do. I'll talk to you later. Bye.